Hello, welcome to 3 Inquisitive Kids. I'm Karen, and in this video, we're going to be walking you through Math League 12024 problem number 1. So let's go ahead and read the problem. A spool of yarn is 20 yards long. There are 3 feet in 1 yard and 12 inches in 1 foot. How many pieces of yarn that are exactly 8 inches long can Philip produce from 2 of these spools of yarn? Pause the video and do this problem. This problem is a very basic conversion word problem. You'll need to be able to convert one unit of measurement to another if you want to be able to solve this correctly. So let's first highlight the information we've got. A spool of yarn is 20 yards long. So one spool of yarn is 20 yards long. There are 3 feet in 1 yard and 12 inches in 1 foot. How many pieces of yarn that are exactly 8 inches long can Philip produce from 2 of these spools of yarn? Well, it's asking how much pieces of yarn that are exactly 8 inches long can Philip produce from 2 of these spools of yarn. So let's figure that out. What's the smallest unit here? Inches. So yeah, we're going to use inches. And so we're going to figure out how many inches is 2 of these spools of yarn. 2 of these spools of yarn would be equal to 2 times 20 yards. So that would be 40 yards. So that's 40 yards. Now we're going to convert that into inches. So before we convert it into inches, we first convert it into feet. There are 3 feet in 1 yard, so that's going to be 3 times 40. And then we're going to multiply 12 because there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So we're going to simplify, which would give us 40 times 36, which is 140 inches. So that's 140 inches. Now we're going to solve the problem. And the problem is how many pieces of yarn that are exactly 8 inches long can Philip produce? This is the total right here. This is the amount of 2 of these spools of yarn. And then we're going to try to figure out how much 8 inches fit into there. And now that we have the same unit, which is inches, we can easily divide 140 by 8, which would give us 180 as our answer. So that's our answer. The answer is Philip would be able to produce 180 pieces of yarn that are exactly 8 inches long from 2 of these spools of yarn. That is our answer.